Document capturing software, PaperStream Capture. PaperStream Capture is our document capturing software. It complements the FI series document scanners and their industry-leading driver and image enhancement software, PaperStream IP. PaperStream Capture is a document capturing application specially built for batch scanning. Simple usability that presents only required functions for either administrators or operators provides automated processes that catalyze productivity gains and improves efficiency. PaperStream Capture features 3 essential capabilities. Simple user interface for easily creating document profiles. 6 simple steps for administrators to follow to create a new document profile. No need to learn, train, and memorize complicated setting methods, so anyone can easily create profiles, intuitively and successfully right from the first try. The last step provides an easy way to see and confirm the effects of settings applied by the profile. Document profiles can be exported and imported at once to other computers. You can easily construct the same operational environment. Users can scan with a temporary setting based on a profile. This comes in handy when users scan documents that are not usually scanned in batch scanning. Easy operation to start scanning with one click. Simply click on a batch profile icon to start the scanning process using the settings previously determined. Scanned image data is grouped and displayed in a thumbnail preview for easy viewing. If required, rearranging the sequence or sorting into a different section is just a mouse click away. Multi-feeding, scanning quality issues, and blank pages will be displayed with color frames for fast and easy quality assurance. When zonal OCR or barcode recognition are set, operators can confirm and adjust the image data and the recognition results in one dialog. The PaperStream Capture application seamlessly integrates the scanner driver PaperStream IP. This includes assisted scan, allowing image data to be corrected quickly and easily. You can pause scanning and then resume scanning routines later. This allows operators to start a new batch while suspending the current one, maintaining high production level efficiency throughout the day. Boost productivity with auto-sorting and indexing. PaperStream Capture can automatically create folders and sort documents by patch code and barcode recognition to improve the work process after scanning. The recognition results of barcode and zonal OCR are utilized to name folders and files. This significantly facilitates post-scanning document management. Index fields or separate index files can be populated with extracted data from barcodes, OCR zones, and scanning parameters. Powerful, integrated, easy to use. Enhance productivity with PaperStream Capture.